In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new Blink doorbell and replace your older one. Right now, I turned off the electricity for this one because this is a hardwired one. You just press it. There's no electricity. You just need to turn off the circuit breaker that provide electricity to this doorbell. I did turn off the circuit breaker that provide electricity for this doorbell. However, I do see some live current here. So I'm going to completely shut off the electricity for the entire house by not taking any chance. So I turned off the entire electricity and you see there is no electricity at all here now. So I'm going to keep it shut until I install it. So always have a electric tester in handy when you do any electric work. Make sure you test the circuit for any live current before you touch the wire, and take all the protective measure before you do any electric work. So you need a Phillips screwdriver. So this is out. You see, you don't have enough wire to work with, so I'm going to use the one sent with this package. Since these wires may touch each other, I'm going to put an electric tape to it. Okay, so this is secure now. I'm going to mount this bracket now here. So I'm going to mount this plate now. So mounting plate is very secure now. So now you have to mount this on top of this one. Now it's time to mount your doorbell. These wires can go in any of these screws, it doesn't matter where it goes. Since you are using the hardwired, you don't have to use the batteries. Okay, so now there's a clip in the back. You align the clip there and snap it. That's all. You see, now your doorbell is ready to go. This is the box your Blink doorbell came in. If you open it up, it will tell you all the steps what you have to do to get this connected. First one is download the Blink home monitoring app. Next, insert the batteries. Then select wired or wire-free configuration. Then attach the plate and align top edge of the Blink video doorbell, and then just push it firmly. And then you have to use the Blink app to configure your doorbell. So I'm going to install the Blink home monitor app. Now open the app and you want to create an account. If you don't have one, I'm going to create one. I'm going to add this device. This is going to be a doorbell. Okay, and I'm going to scan this code. Create a new system. You create a name. Front door, continue. I don't have a sync module now. Without a sync module, remove battery cover, because I am using this existing hardwire. It's not giving me the red light. I'm going to put the batteries and see what happens. Okay, now I get the red light. So discover device. So it's going to join the Wi-Fi network. Yes. Okay, now it's asking me to join my Wi-Fi. So I put the password. Now it is updating the firmware. This will take few minutes. It's ready. Has been added to your app. Would you like to wire your doorbell? Mount with wiring. That I already have done it. Before you get started, you will need your kit, power drill. Okay, this already been done because I have installed everything. It's giving the warning about electric shock because I'm going to use the hard wire. Says this is compatible. Turn off power to your doorbell and chime box. That already have been done. This is complete. Yes, all done. Ring. All right, so let's try. All right, so hallelujah. You see, it says someone is at your Blink video doorbell. It's all connected now. All right, so you just hook that in here and just push it. Make sure you peel off all the plastic outside, because this unit is a weather resistant unit by itself. In case if you want to take out the doorbell, you use this tool to pry this out. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.